I celebrate with all of you 3 decades of the movement for seed freedom. The freedom of the seed to evolve, to multiply, to be shared. The freedom of the farmer to save and exchange their seeds. These were the freedoms that Monsanto has been trying to extinguish for the past 30 years. They had declared that by the year 2000, there will be no seed that is not their genetically modified seed that is not patentable. In fact, patenting, they said very clearly, was the main reason for introducing GMOs. For them, GMOs were God move over. We are the creators of life. We are the inventors of life. And that was the first obscenity. For a corporation to claim the role of the creator of this amazing universe, this amazing biodiversity of a planet so rich in life forms, evolving constantly. Monsanto's false claims of being the inventor have been falling on their face. We managed in India not just to build the movement for seed freedom and created community seed banks all over the country so that seeds are in farmers' hands. Salt-tolerant seeds, drought-tolerant seeds, nutritionally rich seeds, delicious seeds. But we also got laws that say life is not an invention. Article 3J of India's patent law says very, very clearly, plants and animals in whole or in any part thereof, other than microorganisms, but including seeds, varieties, and species, and essentially biological processes for production or propagation of plants and animals are not patentable. Monsanto has been trying to challenge this clause by all kinds of devious means. Yesterday, they allowed a false news to be spread that in the Indian Supreme Court, they had got the right to patent seeds, BT cotton seeds. In effect, they were claiming they've knocked out Article 3J of India's patent law. Nothing of the sort has happened. The case that they brought to Supreme Court, hoping to establish themselves as inventors of life and owners of life, was not respected by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has sent back the case for trial, saying the issue of genes, plants, genetic engineering, and the issues of ownership through patents is a very complex issue. And it needs to be investigated through trial, through investigation. This is going to be a re-beginning of our struggle for seed freedom. If Monsanto thinks its lies can get its monopoly, they are so mistaken. India's laws are India's sovereign laws. Our seed sovereignty is our seed sovereignty. And now even the UN has the Charter for Peasant Rights, establishing seed sovereignty. Monsanto and Bayer's game is so over. It is time they rested. It is time for life and freedom to flourish.